Hello guys, welcome to the scholarship analyst. So in this video we'll be talking about uh, how to go about the application of a Romanian government scholarship. It's also an easy scholarship to apply to. I'm going to walk you through on everything now. And before we continue, please if you have not subscribed to this channel and are watching our video, please kindly subscribe now, and don't forget to put on the notification so as to get more scholarship updates once it is being posted. So let's continue. And this is the page. I'm going to add the link in the description so of this video. So this is the page of the government scholarship, and application ends by 1st of March. So but currently the application is still opened. So you can just click on apply now, and this scholarship actually includes your tuition fee. It includes monthly spending, your monthly stipend, and it covers your little expenses. It covers accommodation. So and it's basically for non-European Union citizens. So if you are not from European countries, you can easily apply to this scholarship. So likewise, if you are from Nigeria, you can apply. So I'm a Nigerian. So let's continue. So this is their page. So if you want to get started, all you need to do is just to create an account. So I will quickly do that now. So an activation code will be sent to your email. So you go to your email and get the code. So I've entered the code, but there's one thing you should notice. Once you check your email, especially the inbox, if you can't find the activation code, go to spam. So you will find it then in the spam folder. So go to the spam folder of your email if you can't find the activation code in the your inbox. So go to the spam folder, you find it there. So I just log in now. So you are going to arrive at this page. So I use the details to log in. So you can click on start application process. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you this following question. So you can just check everything. As far you are not an European Union citizen, so you can just check all of this. You can read through, but I know what is there. So the first page is to input your details. Can you see your details there? Your personal information, your name and the likes. So then your place of work, your occupation. Then after that, you click on next. So the next is going to show your location. It's going to ask for your location, your passport number, expiry date, your country of residence, your postal address and the likes. So you input all those ones to their information. You just an information about yourself. So it's going to ask for your which degree are you going for? Are you going for a bachelor's degree, master's degree? And there's also going to ask maybe if you need a preparatory year, maybe you need to learn Romanian language before you can start your course. Then another thing is so it's going to ask you to choose from the list of university here, so that the list of university from the Romanian I don't know why it's not opening. So maybe it's my network, possibly. So let's check the second one. It's supposed to drop down. It can be my network. It's possibly my network. So I guess I missed this step. Okay, once you chose this let's assume I'm choosing a master's degree. So and it's going to bring out this page. Can you see? You choose your okay. Yes, I want. So then it's going to ask the following question, and your bachelor's, your grade point. In my own country, my grade point is based on 5.0 skills, but the grade point of a Romanian government scholarship in Roman is what do you call it? Is based on 10.0 skill. And what if I'm to use 5, since mine is 5.0, so I can just multiply my original GPA by 2. So assuming that out of 5.0 I add 4.2. Do you understand? So I'll just multiply 4.2 times 2. So that will now be 8.4. I will put 8.4 here. So if yours is, let's assume your your skill of your GPA is 4.0. So let's assume you had like maybe 3.3. Do you understand me? All you need to do is just 3.3 divided by 4.0 times 100. It's going to give you percentage. So the percentage you have. So then go and get the percentage of 10. So that's let's assume you have 75%, or let's say you have 85% after doing it. So that's 85% of 10. That means you have 8.5. 8.5 will be your grade in Romanian system. I hope you understand what I'm saying like that. So then it's going to ask you to upload your CV, your passport, your birth certificate, uh, your marriage certificate if you have divorced, and your high school certificate, that is your secondary school, your diploma, your that's your undergraduate degree, and in the last year of study. Okay, so that means if you have not graduated, you can upload a proof here. So that's that. Then you click on next, and then after that you input your preferred university. So can you see that's dropped down now? Can you see that's dropped down? That's dropped down. So you can choose out of it. You choose the course you actually want to study. So you choose a course that maybe I want to choose accounting. So your second university again, you choose the university and choose the course also. Then after that, you submit for review. You preview your application and submit. So that's all for that. It's very very straightforward. So and then you wait for uh, feedback once the application of this scholarship is closed. So I wish you best of luck, and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, subscribe to this channel for more updates on scholarship that is very very easy to apply to without stress. So this scholarship does not request for recommendation letter. It didn't request for personal statement. It's just based on academic performance mainly. So that's all for that. God bless you. Don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.